Greetings to all my fellow watch enthusiasts on YouTube and Facebook and wherever else this video is being seen. It's Saloon Driver again. I've got another unboxing video. Obviously, no box. Watch didn't come with a box. Watch didn't come with paperwork, but the watch came just the same. Lately, I have been chasing some of the watches from the Alien series. In a previous video, you saw that I've obtained a Seiko SCED-037, otherwise known as the Black Ripley. You know that I am chasing the 035 Ripley. I'll get to that eventually. But I also stumbled on a Bishop. Yep, I found a Bishop. An authentic one in excellent shape. And I found it on that website, that forum place that I've been hanging out in lately, Watch You Seek, WATCHUSEEK.com, Watch You Seek. This is a great place for enthusiasts to exchange information, to buy, to sell, to trade. I have no connection to them. I've just found that this is a great site for enthusiasts, and I've had really good success in selling a couple of watches there and buying several watches there. And when you deal with other watch enthusiasts, it's really quite pleasant experience, and no eBay fees. Yeah. Anyway, so I put in the search for people selling Giugiaro watches. Found this guy. Goes by I believe it's Duarte, and he had this listed at a price. I made a counter offer. He accepted. I paid. He shipped. I got. Works out very nicely. And this is an actual Bishop watch, which, by the way, fits. So I didn't have to tear the palm of my hand apart, which you can see is still showing marks from where I was sizing the band on the Black Ripley. This one already fit. I just had to play with the micro adjuster for one notch, as you can see there. Watch is in overall great shape. It's quartz, of course. This design dates from, I believe, the early 80s. Band does show a little bit of what they call the desktop diver scratches. No big deal. Otherwise, the clasp is nice and tight. And as I said, I just played with the micro adjuster to move from pin 1 to pin 2, or hole 1 to hole 2. And fits great. Condition of the watch back is really good, nice and polished. Screw down back. Hopefully that makes changing the battery easy. And let's see, got some specs for you. See, it is a model 7A as in Alpha 28-6000 Giugiaro design Seiko, affectionately known as the Bishop, because this watch was the watch worn by the Bishop android in the Aliens movie, the second of the Aliens franchise. Giugiaro design, as I said. It uses the 7A28 quartz movement, and it's keeping very good time. It is a 41 millimeter diameter watch. It is 10 millimeters thick. It has a 18 millimeter lug to lug width, and it is 45 millimeter tip to tip. It's obviously a straight tip to tip design. It fits me well, as I will show you. I haven't worn this watch very much, but it fits beautifully. And I like the design. I really do. I like the black, and the PVD coating is in great shape. The contrasting gray face with the matte black subface, the white subdials, white hands, the sort of orange, the danger orange pushers and indices on the bezel and the inner track. All works very well. Very 80s design, very 80s in its color scheme. And hey, what can I say? It's a Bishop. I found one, and I'm very happy about that. I want to get the Ripley, the SCED 035. I've got my eye on several that are out there. I'd also like to eventually get the Seiko Pulse Master that the Marines wore in the movie too. That would kind of complete the whole grouping, if you will. I understand the Pulse Masters are really hard to find, and when you do find them, they're usually beat to hell. But we'll keep our fingers crossed. We'll see what we can find out there. There's always something. But great pickup for me. I'm very happy to have grabbed this watch. I wish the buckle design weren't so horrible. I'd love to see this watch. I mean, horrible in terms of adjusting it. I'd love to see this kind of design on other watches. I think it really is a hell of a nice look. It's just that, my God, to adjust this thing, you have to practically check yourself into the ER. But that's a personal observation. Pushers are in great shape, as you can see, nice and tight. They do move a little bit. I mean, this is, after all, in the end, it's a relatively cheap Seiko quartz from the 80s. It's not a Rolex. It's not meant to stand the test of the centuries, but it's in good shape and everything works, and there's not a lot of color loss through the whole watch. So I'll wear it. I won't wear it much. I mean, I'm not gonna. It's quote unquote a collectible, so don't wanna risk beating it up too badly. But a nice daily wear type of watch, and I'm happy with it. And that offset design, just being old enough to be a quote child of the 80s, unquote. I get the aesthetic. Anyway, gonna leave it there with the video. Very happy with my purchase. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Comments down below, especially if you happen to know what that pusher is for. I'd love to know myself. I can't find out what it is with online research so far. Consider subscribing, and if you do subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon so that when I introduce new videos, you'll be alerted. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.